Hey guys, it's Chantal, and today we're gonna make Graham cupcake. What the heck? Chantal, and today we're gonna. Hey guys, it's Chantal, and we're gonna make Graham ref cake. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
First, you need to put some Grahams in your pan, like so, like that. Sorry. Cameraman is Rainbow Jump.
Yes.
And these girls are just having fun.
Yeah, we're having fun here.
We have fun.
They're doing their own cake. But we're going to start on our own cake.
Oh, I know that.
It's gonna be delicious.
Rough cake.
First, you need some condensed milk and some cream. Wow, Mama is putting the milk out. Okay, and you should mix it all together until it's like that. Like it's so spilled. You're gonna put it already?
Ano naman? Dito ka na lang siya.
Hey, can you get the spoon now?
Para kasya ka.
Can you get the spoon now? Okay, let's go now. Yeah. Shiny video me. I'm gonna shiny video me.
Go put it here.
Ligo.
Yep, can I borrow the one?
Asin
Ate
ka.
Ash, ikaw yung isang spoon.
Ako yung isang.
Okay, then you're gonna put it on the top of the Graham. Make sure. No, that's your own pan. That's your pan.
Okay lang, dyan ka.
Ate Ash.
Doon ka, Gab. Joke. Wait lang, lagay ko lang to, Gab.
Okay, now we're just gonna spread it out like that. Is the second first layer. No, this is not your layer.
We're just gonna mix it.
This is not our pan. This is going to. This is not your. That's your pan. It's about to be finished. That's why your work's about to be finished. So yeah, and now it's just starting.
So pretty.
It's
So pretty.
Unlike
come on,
yours.
it's like. What the heck?
Look at that. It's so messy.
It's so small, you know.
Look at how messy that is.
No, look at that.
I hate you. Okay, now can I borrow some of those deliciousness? Then you need to chop some mangoes right here. Then some of it is already used by them. So this
Oh my gosh, there's no more mango.
yeah.
There's only one left.
Oh my gosh! Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Then our is done.
Slice sa box.
Spread it.
No, do not put na sa ano. Huwag yan dyan. Yan yung sa fruit. Ito eh.
Oh.
Oh.
Pero okay lang. Sige. Nalagay mo na. Malagay mo na lahat yan.
La 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 la. Ha, in your face. No, okay. And that's your first layer. Now we're gonna repeat it and repeat it until it looks like that.
Alang. Ang sabon.
Okay lang yan. Titigasin yan.
Okay.
Sige.
It became soup.
Last na.
It became a soup.
Yan.
Yay. Then maybe on the
Okay.
side.
We're gonna win.
So we're gonna win.
Yeah.
Ay, kasha pala.
Alright.
Shani, your cake is done.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna repeat the process until it's.
This one is small.
Yeah, it's small.
Yes, let's get out of this down. Get out of this. Away from the crowd.
Ah, sige, pakipatay naman.
Hope now.
Padigusap na lang. Hindi ito ano.
As you can see at the time lapse,
May mga
we
spaces
have
pa.
done this
Mga one
beautiful
and then two.
cake. This
Yan.
delicious cake. Look at those.
Here, last.
Let's get this.
Hala.
Sige. Okay. Ligo ka na. Yay. Excuse me lang, girls. Somebody
Yeah, I didn't really told you the exact ingredients for the ref mix, so
Gone.
we're just gonna put it in the description
Ilagay nyo na sa freezer
box.
Para mama.
And put it in the freezer for an hour. And put it in the.
Hey.
Lang pala kami. Bukas mo na ito, ha?
We're gonna set the camera here.
What?
I'm just kidding. You won't even see the process.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Cake.